Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO V20 and let me share with you how to add a photo to a contact in this device. So firstly, let's open your contact list, for example using the dialer, and tap on the contact. Now let's tap on edit contact and choose this camera icon right in the middle. And as you can see here, we've got two different options from which we can choose. We can either take a photo and then your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and you're able to just take a photo. Or we can choose a photo from the gallery, and I will pick this option. Right now we can decide where we want to complete this action. I will pick the albums. Just tap on always. Of course, allow everything. If you are doing it for the very first time, you will have to give all the permissions. And as you can see, right now we can pick the photo we would like to set. And again, we have to decide where we want to crop the photo, so we can again use albums or Google Photos. I will pick Google Photos for this operation. And as you can see, from this step we can adjust the size of this square and position of the photo. What's more, we can zoom in or out the photo, and thanks to this we can decide what will be visible after saving the whole contact, because this area is responsible for it. So just position it like you want. You can also rotate the picture if you want. And if you're happy with your choice with the results, just tap on done. Remember to tap on save in the right upper corner. And as you can see, it actually immediately appears on the contact. After getting back, you can see it also on the contact list, and you will be able to check it whilst all incoming calls from that number. So actually, this is it. This is how to add a photo to a contact in your VIVO V20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.